Welcome back, MJtravelover here, Wetland Park. How to get here? Let's get started from this beautiful view, the direction and highlights. Please continue my videos, guys. And you're not the mangrove boardwalk. Okay, let's go walk over there. A bird watching us and the crab. Birds have ears, please be quiet, but they are noisy. Let's go ahead. Yeah, here we can watch the bird. Wow, oh my god! It's so beautiful! They're so noisy. It says be quiet. Look, have flower. Flowering trees. Flowering plants. Oh my. Let's continue walking this boardwalk. Okay. Wow. OFW here in Hong Kong. If you wanna come here, oh wow, it's so beautiful. The nature. If you like nature, this wetland park have beautiful nature. Wow, beautiful watching birds here. Wow, beautiful. Boardwalk. Yes. Wow. So guys, this is the wetland park. Look at the view. It's like a mirror. Yes, and we're gonna continue walking until there. Look at that. I'm gonna show you the whole view here, the stream. Look the water lily, a lot. Beautiful flower of lilies here in Wetland Park. Please like, and if you are new watching in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. On exit B, get on the bus 69 m. I'm here at Shui. And then get off at Wetland Park. I'm gonna get on 706. Now the next stop is Wetland Park. There we go. Wetland Park. Okay, from the left side, we're gonna go up on this stair that have sign to Hong Kong Wetland Park. Follow the sign of Wetland Park. You can go down in the stair. Hong Kong Wetland Park. Just see the arrow and follow. See the left side from there, and then we you see this entrance, pedestrian access, Hong Kong Wetland Park, and then walking straight from here. And let's see, this is my first time here. Okay, this is the main entrance. Going inside to the Wetland Park. Wetland Park reopen again. A lot of people. Wow. And that's the Poi Poi house. Poi Poi home. I think Poi Poi is sleeping. Look at that. Eyes is closed. Poi Poi is sleeping. And for the second view here in Wetland Park is the waterfalls. Yes. Nice to take a photo here also. This path is going to stream walk. Oh yes. This is it. The beautiful boardwalk. Wow. It's beautiful. The Wetland Park. Wow. Oh, it's beautiful here. Wow. Wow. So beautiful. Look at that. The stream. Oh my. So relaxing, the view, so quiet. Let's go over there. Again. It's a wooden trail. Like in Moon Pink 360 trail. Here. Let's see here. Oh yes. So beautiful here. A lot of people. Beautiful view, and the weather is nice, not so hot. It's cloudy, but it's okay. Look at that. It's like a mirror in the sky. Wow, it's like the mirror in the sky. Look at that. So guys, this is the Wetland Park. Look at the view. It's like a mirror. Oh yes. And we're gonna continue walking until there. Okay, let's go. To show more some beautiful view here, let's keep walking on this wooden path. Wow. Nice to take a photo. I will stand over there. Or I will walk. Nice view here also to take a photo. And look at that. Have water lily flowers. Wow, let's see closer. Look. Look the water lily a lot. Beautiful flower of lilies here in Wetland Park. Oh my. And a lot of flowers. They're all blooming here. Wow. guys. Look at that. Oh yeah, a lot. Okay, by water lily. Okay, let's continue our exploring wetland park on this wooden path. And let's see over there what is inside of that view. Greenery here in wetland park. The nature. Oh my. Look at that. I'm gonna show you the whole view here. The stream. Okay. I walk from there and then wow, I came out here. Okay, from the wooden path, let's go over there. Have some flower hanging. Beautiful flower of this plant. I don't know what it's called. Comment down anyone who knows this beautiful plants. Let's go take a look. The birds here inside. So this is it inside. I think I can go up there for the beautiful viewing point. So let's go up. Look at the sign. Please keep quiet. This is a telescope, but they covered it because of the COVID. So let's see the view. Look! Oh, so nice! So nice view, wow! The nature here in Wetland Park, so beautiful. And we see the right side here. Wow! Look! The greenery! Nature! Here in Wetland Park. Mangrove boardwalk. Okay, let's go walk over there. A bird watching us. And the crab. Birds have ears. Please be quiet, but they are noisy. Let's go ahead. Yeah, here we can watch the bird. Wow, oh my god. It's so beautiful. Look at that, so beautiful. They're so noisy. It says be quiet. Look at flower. Look at that. Take closer. The flower. Yeah. Beautiful nature here in Wetland Park. Wow. Wow, oh my god. It's beautiful here. Look at that. So guys, OFW here in Hong Kong, if you wanna come here, oh my, it's so beautiful, the nature. If you like nature, this wetland park have beautiful nature. Okay, I'm currently at this mangrove. Wow, beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Boardwalk. That path behind me on my right side. And here, let's continue walking on this boardwalk. Beautiful here. The nature. Oh yes. The nature here. Wow. Wow, a lot of butterfly. Beautiful butterfly. Oh my. Bye. Nice going there. Let's go. Look, the tree is so amazing. What is this kind of trees? I cannot go inside there. That's all. I cannot go inside. Maybe have a snake there. Okay. Let's go back now. I will find a way going back. Okay, they said some Filipina. This is the way going back. Going back to exit here. Wow, nice. Wow, nice here. The view to take a photo also. Look at that. Okay, wow. It's beautiful.
Para lampasin ko lang po.
The scenery here. Going to exit. This is the mud flat. Look at that, those are birds. Wow, beautiful here. Wow, beautiful watching birds here. Wow. So beautiful here. Oh, look at birds walking the birds over there. I can't get him to say goodbye here, but I have to go. Bye-bye, birds. Go out from here. Go side. Visitor center and exit. Okay, now we're going to exit. Exit over there. Let's go. Nice the weather. Look at the golden grass that you can see on the sunset peak. Look at that. Looks like the mirror. I came from the boardwalk to entrance, and here boardwalk to exit. A lot of people here. They're the entrance, but now I'm at the exit. Nice the weather, so the people right now, afternoon, have a lot going in. Oh, also the kids here running, enjoying their exploring here in Wetland Park. There's another view here. Viewing pavilion. Beautiful scenery. Wetland challenge! Wow, this is really educational. Look at that. That's why I have a lot of kids here. Look at that. I just stop like that and then it's work. And then stop again. You start again. Ah! The journey of Wetland. The paint. Oh, let's go here. Oh, wow. So nice. Look at that. They are tapping it. I will try also to do that. Kids will enjoy here. Wow. When you tap it and then it will move. A nice view. It's really nice view here in Wetland Park. But now, time to go home.